Welcome, in front of me I have REALME C21 and today I will show you how you can activate Hey Google on the smartphone. So we have to go for Google app, move to the more, find settings, go for voice, click on voice match, and when we are here we got Hey Google option. We have to tap on the switcher, click next, tap right here. Okay, it was the mess click. Let's try one more time. Click agree, and right now we have to say OK Google, OK Google, and the Hey Google also for the 2 times, and the last one, Hey Google. Click next in the right bottom corner, tap finish, and right now when you say Hey Google or OK Google, your assistant will be activated. So let's make it. Okay, it just detects automatically this voice command. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.